right, here's a great foam blaster, electric Nerf dart blaster from VOLUART, VOLUART. This is the M416 digital camo model. So let's go ahead and put this together. You can see I kind of have all the parts here. We'll go ahead and get it ready to play with. All right. So again, if this video isn't available, you can always go ahead and check the installation steps that come with it. So we're going to start the main part here, and the battery's going to go in here later, so we'll put that in last, but that's where the battery goes, and that's why it comes with that little screwdriver. So you're going to see the way the barrel looks there and the way this barrel extension, they're just going to slide on like so and turn to lock in place. Okay, so now that's ready to go. You can take this piece and we can slide this along the rail here as well. So you just have to line it up. There we go. It'll slide in nicely. And that works kind of as a little four-mount grip. Now, we've got the actual barrel that's going to go inside here. We're just going to make sure that that pushes all the way through. There we go. So we got that pushed in there, and then you can put your little silencer on top of that. So there we have that set up. For this end, we have the stock, and that's just going to push on like so. It's locked on. To remove it, you're just going to push it here. Okay, so that's how that works. And then we can load the magazine. So it is a 12 capacity magazine, but you probably are going to have better results if you load it, with only 10 or 11 darts. That's just how these magazines typically work. If you fill them completely, it's just more likely to cause a jamming issue. So just go ahead and fill that up with, I just usually use a 10 dart pack since the darts are coming in 10 packs. And get it nicely filled up. And we'll put that in a minute after we install the battery. So you got your battery right here, charged it overnight. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge. And there's a little light on this end of the USB that's red, and then that light turns off when it's ready to go. So we're going to flip this over to access the battery spot right here. So to open the battery door, I'm just going to unscrew it with this. Okay. So we got that unscrewed, and then let's try to pop this open. This one fits nice and flush, so there we go. And again, the way the battery clip is designed, the harness, it can only go in one way. So if you're having trouble putting it in, you probably have it flipped over the wrong way. So just make sure you push that in and it clicks in nicely. Get your battery in there, and then put your lid, the battery door, back on and screw it down. So all we've got left is to put the magazine in. But I always like to go ahead and check, make sure that battery's connected and working. And you can hear that it certainly is. So then all you're going to need to do is take your magazine, push it in till it stops. You're ready. To get the magazine out, you just push this magazine release button, and then that's going to allow it to slide out. Okay, so that is complete setup of the M416, the M416 VOLUART Nerf Dart Blaster. You've also got your door right here in case you do get any sort of jams. That makes it very nice and easy to clear anything out if you need to. Lots of rails. Go ahead and put different accessories on, scopes, flashlights, lasers, that kind of thing. All look really cool. So here it is. It's the VOLUART M416 Nerf Dart Blaster. You can see it's a great full-size blaster. And so I'm excited to play with it, excited to have my son play with it. So check it out. Thanks.